Welcome to 4619 Southwest 14th Avenue here in beautiful Cape Coral, Florida. This new listing has just gone live. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, just been updated, beautiful kitchen remodel, beautiful bathroom remodel. You gotta see this home. Pool home, this home has everything. Give me a call today, 239-450-5786. This home has been completely updated. The kitchen is beautiful, as you can see. Quartz countertops, luxury upgraded high-end vinyl plank throughout the entire house. They added a den. It is a must-see house. If you are considering a home purchase in Southwest Florida, give me a call today, 239-450-5786. The master bathroom is gorgeous. 24 by 48 inch porcelain tiles in the shower.